Hey guys, it's Maya, and today I'm doing a video on this dress, which is from American Apparel in collaboration with KESH, the artist. Please don't mind my ugly knees, they're awful. Oh my god.
No, 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 no.
Today I wanted to make this dress into a two-piece set, so let's get started. First, I got a ruler and my rotary cutter and I set it on a cutting mat that I own, and you always want to make sure you measure twice and cut once. I don't know if this is a tutorial or me just like talking, but here I am. Anyway, telling you what I did if you want to follow along. I cut the top part off first, separate from the bottom, which is what you're about to see me do if I ever get there. There you go. So I'm just going up and down on the lateral sense. Make sure you watch out for your fingers and the ruler is pressed all the way down. That's what I mean by cut all the way through. Please watch your fingers because what I just did was very dangerous. Yes. And here is going to be the leg pieces and the top portion of the two-piece set. This is the part where I realized I should have done a rolled hem instead of a regular fold and sew hem. That's my fault. If you're doing this at home, or maybe if you aren't doing this at home but you just want to learn how to sew and this is I guess the video you clicked on, I don't know why you did that. That was a really bad decision in my opinion. But yeah, do a rolled hem, meaning roll it twice and then pin it. That way you can sew it down that way and it'll stay way better. Here I am sewing, and I just want to make clear, don't pull it as hard as I did because I ended up having to go back into this section to redo it. This is a stretchy material because it was a bodycon dress. This is the part where I had to end up going back again a second time just to do that section over again because the thread was all bunched up and jumbled. Here is me trying to figure out how to make pants because I absolutely forgot. This is the part where I figure it out, and I'm just pinning the two sides down to where it would be the inseam of my legs rather than the outer seam, which is why I'm only pinning it at least a halfway down. I marked it with my green shorts that are on the side to show where the inseam is and how far down I need to actually pin the fabric. Here I'm just sewing both of the insides, going back and forth to make sure it stays, and removing the pins as I go along and not pulling too hard so the fabric doesn't stay, and reversing it at the end. Here's where I now pin the inseam so you can see exactly what I'm talking about in case you didn't get what I was doing before. But this is just to go around in that U-shaped motion when I sew it back in later to figure out where the pants stay together so you don't have a giant hole in your crotch when you're trying to wear them. And this is the final look. Me dancing around in my room, fake running like I don't. I really don't. I love the pattern on this fabric, which is the reason I want to make it into a set, into something I would wear and feel more comfortable in. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I wish I would stop doing that. Thank you. If you enjoyed it too, let me know down in the comments below. And that's it. Bye!